Good morning, student. Myself UK Singh, science teacher at ISL Muridi Dhanbad. Okay, today we will continue with the same chapter, that is chapter 8, windstorms. Okay, of class 7. Okay, so in this video we will try to understand how winds are created. Okay, how winds are created. So first of all, winds are created due to differential or uneven heating of air. Okay, as we all know that when the air gets heated, it expands. Okay, that means pressure increases, that will move from one uh, region to another region. Okay, from high pressure to low pressure. Okay, as we already studied. Okay, high region as we already studied that the air moves from the region where the air pressure is high to the region where the air pressure is low. Okay, so this creates winds. Okay, now as far as earth is concerned, we all know that the wind and cyclones and air blows in earth. Okay, so how does it occurs? Actually the earth is spherical. Okay, so different regions receive sunlight. So different regions receive sunlight. Some regions receive sunlight directly, like the equator, while the polar regions, or the regions which are away from the equator, will receive uh, sunlight of less intensity. As a result of which, the differential heating is created, and the wind blows from high pressure to low pressure. That is, from a more heated region to less heated region, and this is the reason for the creation of winds. The more the difference between the two regions, more high will be the speed of wind. Okay, and this also brings rainfall. We have already studied in class 7 regarding the formation of sea and land bridge. Okay, sea and land bridge. Okay, so we all know that the land heats fastly and even cools fastly. Okay, so but the water, or you can, we are just referring to the water, sea, river, any source of water, it heats slates. Okay, it will take time to get heated. Also it will take time to cool down. But on the other hand, the land will what you can say, land gets heated instantly, as well as it get cooled instantly. So there is a difference between the two, as a result of which sea and land breeze is created. And when these winds move from these regions, that is from the region of sea, or sometimes in rivers also, and what will happen, it will bring the what you can say, water, air vapors and clouds along with it, and this causes rains. We are all familiar with the term monsoon. As a country, we are as a agrarian country, we are very much incumbent on monsoon for our crop productivity. Okay, so the monsoons are just are created due to this phenomenon. Whenever the wind blows and it brings around, especially around the oceans, it brings what you can say, water vapors. So the winds are actually water laden, and it creates rainfall, that is called monsoon. Okay, so the monsoon wind carry water as it rains. Okay, so these winds are especially, they originate from the ocean, and as it hits the surface, rainfall occurs, and it is of great importance to our country. Okay, now moving to the next topic, that is thunderstorms and cyclones. How thunderstorms and cyclones are created. Okay, now whenever thunderstorms and cyclones occurs, that means there is a very high difference between the two surfaces, or you can say the wind blows from a very high pressure to very low pressure, as a result of which the speed increases, and also depends upon it, directly proportional upon the gradient, that means the difference between the two, as a result of which winds of high intensity called thunderstorms and cyclones occurs. Okay, and when they hit the surfaces, okay, with very high, what you can say, speed, when the wind hits the surface very high speed, which ranging from 200 to 300 kilometer per hour, it causes thunderstorms and cyclones. Okay, it causes lots of damage to what you can say, it causes lots of monetary damage as well as damage to the human life, human and animal life. Okay, so you can see the in page number 86 a map is given. Okay, and you can see the uneven heating of land, especially at the Rajasthan desert, generates monsoon wind. Why is that so? Because of the geographical locations. Some regions are plain, some regions are a plateau, some regions are predominantly consist of mountains. So here differential heating is quite obvious. Okay, as a result of which the winds are created of high intensity, and this brings rainfalls also. Okay, after you got the video, link will be open for 10 to 15 minutes for you to ask your doubts. Thank you.